Hey everyone, it's Miss Holland here, and today I'm going to show you how to use this tool called Flipgrid. We're going to be using this periodically throughout the year, and I want you to feel more comfortable with it. Just a heads up, I am working in my IB Biology sandbox. My A and P kids, this will be the same for you, just, it'll be for you in different topics. Same concept. So here's my home page, and I'm going to click on this week right here. And it's going to take me to the module for the first week of school. So we're going to go through some of this, and you're going to do that on your own, but I specifically want to talk about the what's in a name Flipgrid. So I don't know if any of you have used Flipgrid before, but it's a really cool video discussion tool, and you can reply to things I put out there, things that you guys put out there, you can reply to each other. It's pretty fun. So you're going to click right here, where it says click here, and it's going to open a new tab. So my first name is Jaylee. And that's a very uncommon name. I've only met a few people that have the same name as me, and even fewer people that spell it the same way as I do, the correct way. So I feel like names are important, and I want you guys to have your names pronounced correctly by myself and your classmates. So I just want you to answer a few questions for me. What is your name? What does it mean? Why were you named that? And do you have a nickname? Do people mispronounce your name? And how so? I have a few sentence stems over here if you want that, if you're just stuck and need some help. So I'm going to give you a really quick tour, and I'm going to do this. So this is what it looks like. Step 1 of 4 is record. You have 3 minutes to record your video. So just click over here. Hi, that's me. So click this red record button. Count me down. Hi there, my name is Jaylee Holland, or Miss Holland. My name is my father's first initial and middle name pushed together. His name is Jim Lee, so J.Lee, that's my name, Jaylee. People pronounce it Jaylee, I forget what other ways. The most common one is separating it into 2 different names. So like my first name would be Jay, and then my middle name would be Marie. And they don't even put the Lee in there. It's kind of weird. It's fine. Growing up, I absolutely hated my name. I couldn't ever find it on keychains or, flashlights or fun things like that in gift shops where my brother could, and it always just made me feel really left out. But as I got into high school and college, I started to grow to love my name because of how unique it is. I have a few nicknames, JJ. That's about it. I don't really like being called either of those things except for by my family. So that's pretty much it. It makes me feel happy when people try to actively pronounce it correctly, because in my opinion it's not that hard. I think I got all the questions, so I'm going to press the pause button. And I can add effects if I wanted to, if I was feeling like green machine or cinematic, I could be really extra, but for now I'm just going to keep it like that. Options over here, you can mirror it, record your screen, upload a clip, things like that. More options right here. So press the next button. Review it.
Hi there, my name is Jaylee Holland.
I absolutely hate hearing my voice, but
my father's first name.
if you wanted to cut a part out, if you wanted to add stickers or save it or import something, you could do that right here. Press next when you're ready. Take a selfie. Ooh, that's not a good... So like, if I don't like that, I can redo it. And I can again add effects if I wanted to. I'll press next again, and it's gonna put in my name, and my title is What's in a Name, and just submit it. So yay, and now other people can see it and share it whenever it pops up. So I hope that helps, and I'm super excited to use this with you guys this year.